All right, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe your favorite movie. So you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes, please.
Watching movie is not a new thing. It's happened on the ancient times, but in different ways. Telling story and stage performance, etc. It give educational information and recreation to a man and inspired for a goal and motivate us. Last weekend, my friend Ali brought two tickets for me and him for the blockbuster film Dangal. Dangal, which is the one last very inspiring movie, which motivate us for achieving a goal. It moves around a life of a sportman who was not able, who was has been not able to achieve his desired goals, but he not give up. He channelized his energies and trained his daughters for wrestling. The This idea is not very good for the villagers. They not support this idea. They think that wrestling is not a sport for a woman, but he give not but he not give up and try to his best to train his daughters. In the first attempt, he was not succeeded, but many struggle. He was able to send his daughters to an international wrestling champion and
Okay, thank you. Well, I appreciate that you spoke too much and you are elaborating your point well. One main point for you, and that is grammar. You've got serious grammatical issues. You said it's moves. It should have been it moves. Then you said he not give up. It should have been he does not give up. Then you said they not support this idea. It should have been they do not support this idea. Then you said he not give up. He does not give up. Then you said he was not succeed. He did not succeed. Okay, so your main problem is with sentence structure. I advise you to learn helping verbs: is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, will, shall, all helping verbs. Along with helping verbs, you learn all 12 tenses.
yes, sir.
From present simple to future perfect continuous. Learn all 12 tenses, right? And then try to learn some modal verbs: can, could, should. You can watch some short videos on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
It's very, very easy, okay? Now, we move on to speaking part 3. Do you think watching films has the educational benefits?
Yes, definitely. Watching films are very good very good advantage in for students and for our workers. They give a lot of information about different things, especially historical movies. Historical movies gives information to historical student. And answer to your question is this is very advantage of watching movies.
All right. So, looking at your overall performance, I'll give you a 5 band, and your main area for improvement is grammar.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.